My name is Narasimhan Dokka. I am from Andhra Pradesh. During 2015 and 16, I have affected with pemphigus vulgaris, which is autoimmune disease. Symptoms appeared in my mouth only previously. Then I started to visit many of the dental cares. They were giving antibacterial and antifungal drugs in that time, but no use at all. 1 year has been passed in that time. One of the dentist he suggested me that it is looking like autoimmune disease. Better you visit a dermatologist like that. Then I started to visit a dermatologist also. They were also giving the same drugs, antibacterial, antifungal drugs, along with steroids also they have started to giving. And steroids, as we know, they are having a lot of side effects also. Again 1 year has been passed. My condition was going to be back to very worse. Symptoms also they are coming on my head also. Small blisters like that all over head, they are appeared. Then condition is very bad in that time. Then my relatives took me to Apollo Hospital, Chennai. There they have taken 6 months of time. They also giving steroids only at high concentration. There was a time per day I was taking 20 mg of steroid per day. While I am taking the steroids, my condition is under the control. But once I stop to taking steroids, symptoms are slowly reappearing. I was not knowing what to do. Totally fed up with that symptoms. I wanted to commit to suicide also in that time, because blisters they came all over the head, in the mouth also. One day I was browsing in the net. I found one of the Ayurveda doctor, that is Dr. Ravi Paneri sir. I have seen YouTube channel also. Some other people have given testimonies, because they are also facing the same problems which I have faced. Then I realized that I should meet him, I should take the treatment from him also. And then I called to Dr. Ravi Paneri sir. He has taken all my reports which I have given in Apollo Hospital. Through the test they have confirmed that this is pemphigus vulgaris, and they have given some medicines also. All the scan copies I have sent to Dr. Ravi Paneri sir. He understood the condition and he started the treatment also. Before I started this treatment, I was taking 20 mg of steroid, that is Jempred, per day. Before 2 years, I think, I started taking treatment from Dr. Ravi Paneri sir. Slowly my condition is going well. Now I am free of symptoms. There is no problem. Slowly I reduced my taking Jempred concentration also. Previously it was 20 mg per day. Now after 2 years I am taking only 2 mg per day, which is very negligible according to allopathy doctors. I am very thankful to Dr. Ravi Paneri sir for his treatment. I suggest the people who are suffering with autoimmune diseases like me, please you prefer Dr. Ravi Paneri sir. It is my own testimony. I am giving from my heart. He is the best. During 2 years also, there was no side effects, nothing. In these 2 years, I got married also. Now I have one baby boy also. Now I am free of symptoms, no problem at all. Really, I am very thankful to Dr. Ravi Paneri sir. I am very thankful to you.